Welcome to the SAP FSM Checklist Bulk Operations application. This video will give you a high-level overview of the app so that you can get started easily. The app helps you perform operations on multiple checklists at once, thereby saving you time. Perhaps this is best illustrated through a real-world example. One of our customers is a global company performing inspections for nuclear power plants. Such an inspection consists of many tasks, which are modeled in SAP FSM through checklists, otherwise known as smart forms. There are thousands of such checklists for a particular inspection. Now imagine that a new inspection comes up for a different nuclear power plant. Most likely, many of the work tasks are similar, with only small changes or new tasks needed. One option is to create thousands of checklists manually, which is tedious, time-consuming, and error-prone. The better option is to use the Bulk Operations app and create them in minutes from the checklist that you already have for the previous inspection. Another example is if all the checklists contain a chapter with regulatory or safety information. Any changes in the regulatory or safety measures have to be updated in thousands of checklists, which is again time-consuming and error-prone. Using the app, this can be done in minutes without the possibility of errors. Finally, imagine that you have people from different countries and languages using the checklists. One option would be to translate them all manually. However, again, the better option is probably to use the Checklist Bulk Operations application and just machine translate them automatically in a few minutes. The application consists of several modules which you can find on the menu on the left-hand side. All of the modules work as a three-step process. First, you enter the operation parameters. Second, you run the bulk operation. And third, you analyze the results. Let's take the bulk edit module as an example. At the top, there is a section which you can click and which explains you how the module works, how to use it, and also gives you an example use case in real life. After you learned about it, you can just enter the parameters and click Run. You will get the status on the right-hand side, where you can see which objects were processed and if they were processed successfully or not. As mentioned, all of the modules are similar. There is an About section, parameters, and status/results. And really, that's all there is to it. One important thing to mention is that each module is designed in such a way that you can run the operation with the same parameters over and over again, and it will not overwrite data which already exists. This means that if you are, for example, processing 1000 checklists and stop midway, you can simply rerun the operation later and it will continue where it left off. Any changes you made to the already processed checklists manually will not be overwritten. You should now have a general overview of the app and how to use it. Please feel free to try it out and play with each module and the different operations. If you find that your needs are not covered by the existing modules, please contact us at bulkeditor@infiniswiss.com and we will be happy to implement a new module for your particular needs. Remember, you can also contact us for any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.